Hey everyone, I have a new grocery haul for you guys. This is going to be my Thanksgiving grocery haul. I actually picked up a couple other things other than just Thanksgiving. So thank you so much for clicking on this video today and taking the time to support my channel. So let's go ahead and get into this haul. Okay, so I have some almond milk, and that's just going to be for cereal. Some whipped cream, that's going to be for our hot chocolate. Some peppermint mocha creamer. Cinnamon rolls, that's going to be for Thanksgiving breakfast. We have some chicken broth back there. And then some crunchy raisin bran, which is one of my favorite cereal. Some sugar. And then we have some butter. Me and my daughter, we're going to be baking some chocolate chip and sugar cookies this weekend. Some Velveeta cheese, Texas toast. We have the thick sliced bread. We like this for our French toast. We have our Hawaiian rolls for our Thanksgiving dinner. I said sugar. Okay, some brown sugar for our baking, eggs. And then we have a turkey injectable, some elbow macaroni noodles, some apple cider. My oldest son, he does not like hot chocolate, so he drinks apple cider when we are drinking hot chocolate. Some pineapples, that's going to be for a barbecue pineapple chicken recipe. Some lemon pudding, cream of celery for macaroni and cheese, some vanilla extract, some cornmeal for the dressing, a lemon cake, and then back there we have a gingerbread house. We make a gingerbread house with the kids every year on Thanksgiving. It's our little tradition. Some chopped pecans for our sweet potato casserole. Some chocolate chips. We have regular and then mini, and then some mini M&Ms for our cookies this weekend. Some marshmallows. Some Jiffy cornbread. Some white vinegar, and that's going to be for laundry and then cleaning. Some kettle corn popcorn. This one is me and my daughter's favorite. My boys, they don't really like kettle corn. So I figured since I'm off this week and then my daughter is also off this week, I'm going to catch up on both of us are going to catch up on some Hallmark Christmas movies because we usually watch those together. But I've been super busy, so I haven't had a lot of time. All right, so we have some orange juice, some shredded cheese for our mac and cheese, some turkey bacon, and then some turkey sausage, and also some frozen pizzas. This is going to be like lunches for the kids. And then our hash browns for our casserole, breakfast casserole for Thanksgiving. So look what my Walmart did to my pie. So I did do a grocery pickup, and I think the guy just pretty much just threw my groceries in the back. So it's missing some of the crust and things like that. So I may try to take that. I think I'm going to try to take that back. So, and just return it and see if I can get another one. Okay, so we have an apple pie. My youngest, his favorite pie is apple pie. He won't eat any of the other desserts that I make. So I bought that specifically for him. I mean, we will eat the apple pie too, but he likes it the most. All right, and then I also got some vanilla ice cream, but that is already in the freezer. And then this, we have the candy cane kisses. These are what we use to put in our hot chocolate to make our hot chocolate, peppermint hot chocolate, also with the peppermint sticks too. So they didn't have a smaller bag. They only had this huge bag, but we'll use it up because we love hot chocolate. And then I got these hugs. These are for my oldest son and then my husband because they don't really like the candy cane kisses, so they'll eat those. All right, so I got some apples, some mandarin oranges, some strawberries. Those are just for snacking. And then some sea salt caramel syrup and chocolate syrup. So these are for hot, this one's for the hot chocolate, and then this one, we can also use it for hot chocolate. And then I got it also for our coffee as well. My daughter, she likes to make iced coffee, so she puts it in her iced coffee. So, all right, so I wanted turnip greens, but they didn't have any, so they just gave me those. And then we have some sweet potatoes, and then some regular potatoes. These are for mashed potatoes, and then sweet potato casserole. My husband, he makes the sweet potato casserole every year. It's his mom's recipe, so they're really, really delicious. Okay, so I got some eggnog for my daughter and then also my husband. Nobody else likes it in the house. Some milk. I got a Pepsi, a root beer, and then a Sprite. We don't drink a lot of soda, but we do drink it during Thanksgiving and like through the holidays, like special occasions and things like that, just to kind of have a fizz after having that heavy meal. And then I also picked up some green tea. I actually wanted sweet tea, but they didn't have any, so they substituted for that green tea. Oh, and then I also picked up some breakfast sausage too. That's going to be for our breakfast casserole. But I think, guys, I think that is going to be it. That is everything that I picked up for Thanksgiving, and then just some other things to get us through the week. I did not get my turkey. I'm going to pick that up at Aldi's because I did the grocery pickup. I didn't want anyone else picking out my turkey. I wanted to pick out my own because we normally get a smaller turkey. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more hauls. So thank you guys so much for watching. You guys have a wonderful day. I'll see you guys in the next video.